Hi, welcome back to the Trading Show. I'm David, and I'm joined with my friend,
Big Brendan.
Okay, here we go. We're doing this whole...
Not the Minuteman, though. Not the Minuteman.
Okay, every time you bring that up, I'm just going to keep calling you the Minuteman.
Don't call me that. That's not me.
I am currently in a Bitcoin long in the profit right now. Looking to scalp a quick $160 to $200. So why did I get into a long, you might ask? David, what are you doing? What are you thinking? Why? Why would you get into a long? Well, here's why. Bitcoin, 1 hour. VWAP, upper band, 78,296. My entry was 78,335, as this is a dynamic moving average, right? VWAP is dynamic. And so at the time, it was at 78,313. So I got in a little above that. You can see every time since we broke above it, this was at 1 a.m. Pacific time this morning. We broke above. We retested it once. We actually technically closed below it, came right back. This was a 1.27% candle to the upside. And then on the way down, we wicked and we closed above. And now we're a wick and we're above. And so for me, it was a, hey, I'm looking for it to test that VWAP again. And of course, push to the upside, which it is. And so I'm currently in a profit long, which could reverse any time. But I'm going to actually move my stop loss up to just below. And as I'm speaking, Bitcoin starts to drop a little bit. I'm going to move this right below this this moving average band here. I think this is a 9-day. Excuse me, the 21-day moving average. And so TP set at 78,658, stop loss 78,187. So we'll see if Bitcoin does get down there. That is also below the last the wick low we had on this 30-minute candle here on Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 78,350 for BTC. As you've literally watched all my little bit of volatility here in BTC. But Brendan, you're actually in the opposite trade.
Yes, I'm in a Bitcoin short, and I'm also in the profit as we speak.
Okay, what's the setup? What was your entry, and what are you targeting here?
Change of character here, and then my entry was on a fair value gap, obviously, right here, 78,519.6. And then stop is at this high right here. This, I think this is a daily high. Yeah, daily high. Oh, no, this is not a daily high. Oh, wait. Yeah, no, this is not a daily high, but this is the high that I think will be taken for liquidity. And so this is the high that I put my stop loss at. This is at 78,834.1. And then my bottom here is at 77,493.1. So you could call it 77.5.
That's your
77. What?
That's your take profit.
Yeah, it's my TP. So, I mean, the trade looks good right now. We're making lower highs. And so I hope we just continue to move and make lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. I like when my trades have good market structure. It's easier for me to get guaranteed get guaranteed stop losses, make guaranteed money and things like that. And so, yeah, that's the trade that I'm in right now. And obviously David's in the opposite, but we'll see who prevails here. I like when we're on the same team, though, because then we're like...
True. We're making money together.
Yeah.
At least with this setup, you know, one of us going long, one of us going short. The people watching... 50% of you will make money, right?
And yeah, the other 50% of you.
50% will make money.
Yeah.
And so, but I feel pretty good now. Obviously, anything can happen. If we do get, this is an hourly, we have around 28 minutes left. Obviously, we're going to close below 78,296, and all things change for BTC. Also, we did get the green dot here, and since we got that green dot, Bitcoin has fell. Currently at 78,350 and dropping slowly for BTC. But we take a look at the crypto bubbles. Pretty green day for altcoins here, my friends. Stable up 31%. River, after being
your favorite
demolished,
right
River got hammered. It was not a good sign for River. Where are you, stupid River? I think I got so mad at it that I deleted that. Let's go Bybit. Bybit, River. 1 hour. Ooh, yellow or red X on the 1 hour. Ooh. But this thing has completely collapsed. I mean, this is a 4 hour, guys. Look at this. I mean, shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 of the last 17 4-hour candles for River have been red. The Red River. Isn't it like a football rivalry? The Red River rivalry? That's Oklahoma and Texas.
Might be Texas Tech and Texas, I think.
The Red River rivalry.
I don't know.
Why is that so hard to say? The Red
River rivalry. I don't think it's Oklahoma, though.
Red
You could be right.
River rivalry.
Oh, you're right. Texas and Oklahoma. Nice, dude.
Texas and Oklahoma.
Nice, dude.
Yeah, you're welcome, guys. You're welcome. So yeah, the Red River, and I think I'm probably gonna get stopped out of my trade here.
I'm looking great.
Yeah, you're looking good. 78,187 is my stop. So we'll take a little bit of an L there, and then we'll reevaluate kind of where the positions are for BTC. If you go back to Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame, give me the 1 hour. Wait, is this the correct one? No, this is the correct one. There we go. We're right at that VWAP band. We are right there, my friends. And so we'll see. You see, we wicked low, but we stayed above the previous candle wick low as Bitcoin attempts to push back out. I did move my TP down a little bit based on the 15-minute time frame there. And so I'll still bank $140 some odd on the quick Bitcoin scalp here. But Brennan, what else are you seeing on the charts? Why don't we take a look at Solana? I know I got that on the thumbnail. What's the Solana chart saying here?
So we're seeing $100 Solana, and this is like when I was talking about Bitcoin the other day, I called this. Let me just get this volume off the chart here. So, I mean, what I'm seeing right here is this is the 1 minute, obviously. So if we go up to the 30-minute, Solana is in a weird spot. So it's down to that $100 range, which we haven't seen. And I mean, we broke through this area right here, which is an area that I had marked as this yellow circle. I didn't think we were going to push below this area here. Well, this is a wick, but this bottom of this candle is, oh, so we're not there yet. We're almost there. And so I think that we're going to get to this area here. And I think that that's going to end up being our new area. What am I doing? Yo.
What?
I just started drawing a bunch of blue boxes on accident. Yo. But I think we're going to see this area here. And obviously we're in it now. And I think we're going to see a rejection. And I think that this old support is going to be new resistance. And this new support is going to hold. And I think we're going to find that range, just like I was talking about with Bitcoin. So yeah, I think that obviously this is going to follow Bitcoin, and I think that Bitcoin is going to find its range. I think we could also see this area here be used as some type of some type of resistance as well prior to this higher resistance here. So I would just be on the lookout to see if what you're willing to trade. If you obviously trade on the 1 minute or the lower time frames, you're able to scalp anything upside or downside. But if you're going to trade on these higher time frames, obviously I would be wanting to try and take this to, I don't know, I mean, get in at the probably around here and then take it to here, get a little 10% scalp, anything like that. So
cool. What about XRP?
I got to stop drawing stuff real quick. Okay, XRP, here we go. So wow. We pushed through this.
You said wow.
I haven't checked on XRP in a minute. Holy cow.
Wow.
Yeah, so we pushed through this area of support now, and we're making, so I think we're also going to use this as new support and or new resistance, and then we're going to use this area here, because this is the next closest support here. So I think this is what we're going to use as new support. I would be probably short-term bullish on this right here, because I think that if Bitcoin continues to push and it goes down back to that 74,000 region, I think that XRP will see a move to the downside. So that's what I'm looking for right now on XRP.
Okay.
But wow is definitely right. That was the right reaction.
Wow. I want to share this post here by Quentin Francois. Je la secours, je sais Francois.
Whoa.
He said, Bitcoin weekly RSI is at oversold levels not seen since previous bear market lows. Bottom is closer than the top. Okay, let's take a peek. Okay. Let's first take Bitcoin, Tether US, 1 week on Binance. Okay. Bitcoin, that's Bitstamp. Let's go Bitcoin, USDT on Binance, 1 week. Let's pull up the receipt. It's the RSI, by the way. A receipt, RSI, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Well, technically, we're not in oversold territory at Bitcoin. Give me that push up, baby. Come on, man. Oh, and it's okay. I'm just going to go. Jesus Christ. I'm just going to go away from the chart here because I feel like, it shot up to like 440 or 420, and then it just shot right back down.
I need to keep going down.
Some volatility here.
Really awesome.
It's gonna hit my T. Hey, look, where's your stop loss at on your trade?
78, 829.6.
Look, we can both make money. Look, I got my TP at 78,576. I get out of the trade, and you're free to go down.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we could both make money.
There you go. We can have our cake and we can eat it too.
Yeah. So the only thing is about that is if Bitcoin went up, I would get that big middle finger we've been talking about, that middle finger pattern.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and Bitcoin would just be like, oh, don't worry, I got David's TP, but Brendan's stop loss, it's too close for me not to hit it. Why wouldn't I?
Yeah, I mean, that's a fair point.
But we are seeing Bitcoin in
it's very undecisive. I mean, it keeps I just I don't know. I'm thinking about maybe moving my TP down.
I'm thinking about just getting out
taking
of the profit
quick $100
right
scalp. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing. Just get out soon.
Are you in the profit?
Yeah, I'm in the profit. Like a little bit, barely.
Yeah. Maybe I'll move my stop loss up. What?
Look up at the screen.
Yes, Gina, the MVP. Wait, are you buying?
Where at press?
Or am I buying?
Yes, good question.
You know what, Gina? I'm buying. Wait, can we pay cash? Or you got to pay with card?
I think you have to pay with card.
Okay. All right, we'll buy. Don't worry.
Nice. Let's go.
But yeah, do you like a sideball? Do you like those?
Yes,
That's
dude.
fire, bro.
But I gotta wait, Gina. Wait, before we order them, I gotta get my specifications because I don't do strawberries or blueberries.
Oh, okay.
So what do you do then? Bananas?
Bananas. So when I went to Mexico, they put watermelon on one of my acai bowls.
Watermelon?
Yeah,
That sounds kind of gross.
It was so good. Oh, man, it was
That
good.
sounds a little.
And raspberries. You ever had raspberries on acai?
Raspberries sound fine, but
Yeah.
watermelon?
I love watermelon.
What are you?
You know, I used to hate watermelon.
Wow.
Yeah.
Breaking news. Brendan now loves watermelon.
I love it.
Look, and we did watermelon colors for you, my friend.
Watermelon.
Nice and red and
Yeah.
juicy watermelon. We love the juicy watermelon. It's great. It's delicious.
I'm starting to see a little W pattern here on this.
On what, the 1 hour or the 1 minute?
Yeah, it's looking like it's creating it. See, boom, come up, boom. We're seeing a little bit of a creation of it. This might piss me off a little bit, but it's okay. I don't know.
I'm moving my TP in a profit.
I'm just not in the profit enough right now to take my profits out, and we just got to change it. Oh, never mind. You got erased. No, there you go.
I closed my long, took a little profit.
It's probably smart.
Yeah. So you're now.
I'm welcome to do.
Now let's go down.
Yeah, let's dump.
Go down, Bitcoin. Go down. Scalp like $80 or something, man. Just a quick scalp. You figure you do 3 of those a day. It's $250, bro. You average that out. You know, it's I'm happy. If I can scalp $80 to $150 at a time, I'll be happy. I'll be happy. Make a few trades a day. Obviously, you're not going to win all of them. You can minimize your downside risk. By the way, those of you watching, if you do not trade on Bitunix, you're missing out. They're rolling out this new trading challenge. You can get a shitload of money based on your volume. You guys know we've talked about and in some instances promoted a lot of different exchanges. And let me tell you something, man. The big thing with Bitunix is their mobile app is almost identical in terms of UX to their web, right? To their website, which
so
is
easy
massive.
to use.
Typically,
easy to use.
website is very easy, and then the mobile app is kind of
Annoying.
annoying and kind of like bogged down, like kind of tighten. Bitunix, I can do the same things as far as sliding my TP, my stop loss, my orders, my entries. It's very, very good.
Yeah,
and so there's a link in the description. You'll get some free money. You'll also be supporting the channel. And so if you want to go ahead and do that, you're welcome to. It's Bitcoin, man. I'm done. Bitcoin did what I thought it was going to do, baby. That's right, baby. 1 hour time frame. Although we are seeing a little baby blood diamond here on the 1 hour. So just be careful, guys.
Come on, baby blood down to the downside now.
If you are in a long, and actually that's not the correct one. Go to this one right here. This one follows Bitunix and
that W pattern is about to play out.
On the what? On the what time frame?
On the 1 minute. It's not like perfect, but it's like there a little bit. Boom.
Well, you just got this thing should start to go down now, which it is. Where are you saying this is a W right here?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a wonky W.
Should flag.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and draw the fib. High to low, assuming this is a low. Your 236 is at 78,460. But you have VWAP about 78,429 would be the level that I keep my eye out on. As yeah, man. I would have so my TP was at 576. We're at 506. So maybe if I would have let the trade run, I would have hit my entire TP. But I was happy with what I had, and so I took it. Right. Also on the 30-minute, a little bit of an evening star pattern on a slightly increased volume, and now it looks like we're maybe making a little bit of a bear flag here. So just keep that in mind if you are in a long. I think ultimately, if Brennan doesn't get stopped out, I think his trade will profit him.
I think it's going to as well.
Yeah. But I bought, yeah, and it's going.
And I gave my trade some wiggle room too. So if we go up into that non-profit area, I still have some room before I'm getting stopped out.
We shouldn't go above 78.6.
I don't think
Keyword shouldn't. Right.
Yeah.
And so anything can happen, but I think you'll make money on your trade unless you get stopped out. If you get
so
stopped out though, don't be afraid to get back in.
I'm still in the profit though, so I'm good.
That's good. Okay. All right. I want to take a peek at the chat real quick. Chat. Is there anything you want to take a look at? Throw it in the chat. Chat. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Ricky Romero is our newest Patreon member. Welcome, Ricky. Thoughts on ETH for a swing trade? Okay, Brendan, you go first, and I'll pull up any chart.
Swing?
Yeah, swing trade.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that's up a little bit time frame wise. ETH?
Yeah, Ethereum, yeah.
Okay. Let's see. So let's go up to the 1 hour, I'll say, probably. All right. So ETH is obviously dumping with the rest of everything else. Let me just zoom out more to the 4 hour just so I can see this better. Here we go. Perfect. All right. We are currently sitting in this area. Okay. Why are we doing this? Why don't we just change? We've never done this before.
What?
My stupid thing just keeps doing this dumb thing. It's making me mad.
Sorry, man.
Yeah, but it's okay. So this is our area of support here. We're currently in it. We're seeing a move out of it. But I don't think that we're going to push. I don't think that we would go through this support here, obviously, because I think that Bitcoin is going to make that old that old support new resistance. So I think that I think that if you were to get in a trade right here, I would probably put a limit order in at this wick low, try and catch it, because I think that we would tap it one more time before
What's that level?
That is wick low at 2,157.83.
Okay.
And then I think that that measurement, I would just take it to probably here. And that's a 20% scalp, or not a 20% scalp, just a 20% move in general, if you're trying to make some money. And so if you're trying to be in a swing trade, obviously that trade's going to pan out over some days because this is the 4 hour. So you probably won't hit this level for some days anyways. If you're trying to get in more soon and more a little bit higher, you could get in at the top of this range here at 2 2,237.39. And then obviously take it back up to that same area that I was just talking about. So boom to wick high right here, even lower than the wick high. You could even go just to here at 2,477.89. And that's still an 11% move. And that's over 1 day, 8 hours. And obviously this measurement could get expanded further and further. So we could take this and move it out. And it could take, 5 days. And that's, depending on how long you want your swing trade to be. So.
I have the 1 hour pulled up on ETH, and my ultra premium entry long level, Ricky, if you're looking for a scalp, is 22. Let's call it between 2290. Okay, we have this move from 2180. That was a wick low on the close, Sunday at 9 p.m. Pacific time. Okay. We had a large expansion to the upside, in fact, from open to high, 10% move. Now we're seeing a little bit of a pullback, okay? So when I draw my Fibonacci, I first look at the 50% fib level, and is there multiple confluence there, which in this case there is. VWAP middle band sitting right above your 50% fib level, and also at that 50% fib level, support, resistance, and we had this large evening star pattern here that continued to push ETH's price down from 2290 to that low of 2150. And then here yet again, on the initial move up and this larger move up, the first pit stop was 2290. One red candle, and then expansion to the upside. So I expect on the way back down, unless Bitcoin has completely tanked, for 2290 to be a great A1 premium entry level for an Ethereum long. And if you want to get greedy, look to push this thing up. Let me go here, long 2290. Look to push this thing up past the previous high and have your stop loss. If you want a really tight stop loss, this is what I would do. That's a 15-to-1 trade setup. If you are willing to have a deeper stop loss, hide it below your gold pocket. Now you have a 3.6-to-1 trade setup, right? Risk reward. Now this would be a pretty big chunk if your stop loss does get hit, but you're giving yourself enough wiggle room for the trade to play out, okay? But we shouldn't see it go all the way down there. So if you wanna limit your risk, set your stop loss around 2280, or excuse me, set your stop loss around 2273, and bring your TP down to the last high, right? If you want to play it on the safer side, that's a 5-to-1 trade setup, as Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a dump. Should catch some support here at this moving average, 78,226. Not anything I'm willing to go long on. Bless you.
Thank you.
Because I think your trade's going to hit, man. I think your TP is going to hit. What was that, 77.8?
77.5.
77.5.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's where I'm sitting at.
Okay. So, Ricky, I hope that answers your question. For me, at least, getting in at 2290, looking to take profit just below 2,400. Stop loss. For me personally, I would have it around 2273. Now, of course, anything can happen, so always practice safe trading. All right.
Nice,
I'm just going back. Janet's Papa said, David, would you pick up any Vader, Preddy, and Games since they dropped so much? Janet's Papa, out of those three, there is one that I continue to buy. And out of respect for the Patreon members who pay X amount of money per month to get that information, I'm not going to say which one it is. But I'm overall bullish on the virtuals ecosystem, and there is one out of the three listed that I'm continuing to buy. And so Patreon members know what it is. And to all the Patreon members, we appreciate your support. We thank you very much. What's a VWAP again? Volume-weighted average price, VWAP. Steve. Yeah, Steve. That's VWAP is solid, bro. for support and resistance levels as Bitcoin drops. We'll see if Bitcoin catches support. Let's go down to the 15-minute here on BTC. Let's get rid of that. Let's get our market cipher. Let's get rid of this.
Well, we just got a bearish change of character as well.
We did. That's a big candle to the downside too. That's that engulfed as of now. If it closes, look at that. I got out at the man. I'm so happy, man. I'm happy because shit. A year and a half ago, I would have not taken that little bit of profit and gotten greedy and wanted to take my full TP. But if we look back, we got to 514. My TP was at 565. So now it could hit that TP eventually, but not before I probably would have gotten stopped out. So yeah. But Bitcoin, there's a decent amount of volatility, guys. I'm just kind of working my way down the lower time frame, seeing for anything flashing on market cipher A or B. RSI is close to a bottom on the 5-minute, 3-minute, nothing of kind of importance there. 2-minute though. 2-minute, maybe a bottom's in on the 2-minute right here. This is a morning star pattern at the bottom of a downtrend, right? This is a clear downtrend here on Bitcoin. And we need this candle body to close. The volume is there. The setup is there for a morning star pattern reversal to the upside. Expect some resistance at 78,468. You have some confluence there with your VWAP lower band, or excuse me, your VWAP upper band at that 78,428 level. Volume is there. We just need the candle body to close higher. So if we can get back closer to this wick in 2, 1. Yeah, we should see another expansion to the upside, but expect some kind of give around 78.5 or 78.460 for BTC. But this is a 2-minute too, guys. So a lot of false signals on the lower time frames. This is a higher time frame, 10-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute. 30 minutes still teetering at that VWAP upper band, 78.357. Waiting on closure, right? Closure happens in 3 minutes. Can we close above 78,357? If we can, I think we get a push to the upside. If we don't, then we're probably dipping all the way down to the, at the very least, let me drop a horizontal here. 77.8. Honestly, Brendan, if I was you, that's where I'd move my stop loss up.
77.8?
77.8, yeah.
All right, let me move it.
That's me, though, but you do your thing.
So my reasoning behind the TP that I took was because this is a wick low right here. So this wick right here, and I just didn't see any really market support on the 1 minute that kept me out. So I know you just said you saw some, what time frame was that on that you just saw?
That was right here, the 30-minute.
Okay, so on the 30-minute, you were seeing some support at that's
78,350.
70, okay.
357.
That makes sense. Okay, because I'm seeing that on the 30-minute, but down on the 1 minute, I'm not seeing it. So I'd move this up. Yeah, I'd move this up probably. Yeah.
I think 78.78 for me. If I was in that trade, that's where I'd be looking to adjust my TP at. You take a look. I dropped the horizontal here, the green line, right? You had resistance, support on a closure, which is important, and then you look at how price reacted after it closed there on support. This is a 1% 30-minute candle. That's a lot. That's not a tiny move in a short time frame.
Not at all.
Right? And so that's what I look at. And so I would expect if Bitcoin does fail to hold above its VWAP, which right now it pushed back to the upside again, I think this is setting up for a pretty big move for Bitcoin here. Whichever way it goes, will.
Yeah, I probably should have taken profit down there, but it is what it is.
I think it'll be okay, man. I think it'll be good. But we'll see. We'll see.
We'll see what happens. Yeah, it obviously does what it wants all the time. So
78.7 is where
if you pull my screen up, you'll see what I'm looking at right now, which is a little bit scary. Yeah.
Well, that looks like a W, but with a W, for it to be confirmed, you got to get that bull flag.
Yeah.
And if we do get a bull flag and you see a breakout, I would probably get out.
Yeah.
Take your profit because you should get a descending channel anytime soon, right?
Yeah.
Whether that happen, what is that? A 9-day moving average up there you have?
Let me see. I think it's 200 day. 200, yeah.
200? Okay.
Yeah, 200 day moving average. But I actually don't know why that's on. I only wanted my VWAP on.
Oh, that's your VWAP. That's your VWAP band, yeah.
Yeah.
Use the same band I do, right?
I'm pretty sure. You have something on there that has a lot of lines on it. I think it's another VWAP, but I don't.
This one right here?
Yeah, I don't.
Oh, this
have
Market
that.
Cipher.
Oh yeah, I don't have Market Cipher, but I do have VWAP.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, whoa.
What? That was a big drop, huh?
Yeah.
Indecision in the markets.
Yeah.
We'll see what price does.
I need to open my phone up so I can take control of this.
You can
What?
nothing. I don't know what I was gonna say. Okay, let's look at we just got a red X on the 30-minute. I think you're about to make some money, my friend.
Yes, I think so too.
Yeah, you're about to make
Holy
some money.
cow.
You're about to
Holy
make some money.
cow.
Yeah. Keep going down. Come on.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
174. 30-minute just flashed the red X, and those are pretty damn accurate.
Come on, come get me.
Go home, Bitcoin.
After you hit me, my TP, you can do whatever you want.
Don't be surprised if we make one more move up to the 78,362.
All right.
I think I'm going to get into a short here. 78,362.
Come on. Show me something so cool right now. My mom would be laughing at home for me saying that.
Your mom would?
Yeah.
Let's see if this fills. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. So I'm looking to this is a solid move to the downside, my friend. Did you move your stop? Did you move your TP up?
Mm-mm.
No?
I
I'd move it up.
I should though.
Don't get greedy. Don't get greedy, bro.
I moved it up.
What, 77.8?
Yeah.
Still should be. What was your entry again? 78 what?
78.5.
Okay.
19.
That's solid.
Come on, keep going. You know you want to.
It will. It might tap that VWAP again, then it'll dump, which it is. It looks like it is.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll get tapped in and I'll join you on this short escapade there, my friend.
Yeah, it's a big escapade. That's to say the least.
What is an escapade?
I don't know.
I know what an escalade is.
I just heard you say escapade, so I was just rolling with it.
Am I going to get tapped in? Am I going to get tapped in? Come on.
Where is it at?
Tap me in.
Speed, I need this.
I mean, look at that. Look at that wick. Come on. 371. 371.50.
It's playing with your feelings right now.
You can do it, Bitcoin. And look, I won't get greedy. I'll just go down to where you wicked, okay? Actually, I do want to get a little greedy because I think it's going to go lower than it wicked. If it taps it, I'm actually going to move my down to 356. We'll keep it there. We'll see if it gets filled. Oh, shit. Come on.
There's a lot of indecision, man. It cannot make up its mind.
A lot of volatility, yeah.
Yeah.
That's what you want, though, as a trader, man. You want the volatility.
You do. You love it.
But with the volatility, though, to anyone watching, from my experience, you don't want to stay in trades too long, man. You want to get in and out. Anything can happen. This thing can, I mean, we saw this thing go from 1% drop to back in green to now kind of teetering. And so Red X remains our market cipher A on the 30-minute. And we haven't seen momentum start to roll over yet, though. Well, yeah, it actually has. Never mind. Yeah. Momentum's rolling over. Where's it going to dip down to? I don't think I'm going to get my entry. I don't. So
yeah, don't get FOMO either. Just keep it right where it's at.
I know. I'm not. I'm not going to get FOMO.
Good. Don't let the FOMO control you, as Cassius Cuvée would say.
Yeah. What a great song. What a great guy.
Yeah. What a guy.
I wonder what he's been up to.
Me too.
Probably rapping, making songs.
Sin City Crypto.
Okay. Why don't you take a look at a... It's coming to me. BitTensor.
Tau. Okay.
Yeah. Show me the Tau, man. Tau used to be a great nightclub here in Las Vegas.
It actually did.
Used to be.
Yeah, it actually did.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm holding a lot of Tau. Am I screwed or what?
I don't think so. I don't think you're screwed. No.
No.
I think you're all right.
Okay.
I talked about this area every time David asked me to talk about Tau. The last time we spoke about this, I told you guys that this area was going to get used as resistance, and it happened. We tapped exactly that point that I always talk about, that midpoint of that whatever range that I put out. And that midpoint is 206.73. We hit that. I think we're going to go to the downside, but I think we're going to catch support at this area here. We've seen a lot of support in this area. We've seen and this is on the 4-hour too. So if I were to expand this out, this is a lot more candlesticks than it really looks like tapping this area. So we've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 taps into this area here, off of wicks, off of candles, closures, things like that. And so I think that you could get in, if you're going to trade this, I think you could get in here at this body high and just roll this down for a 6% move to this area down here and then ping pong it up and down. I don't think it's going to break through that support. So, godly, man. So,
Yeah.
I don't think you're screwed though, David. I don't.
No? Okay.
I think we'll break this resistance sooner than later, and then we'll just continue to.
What is Bitcoin doing right now?
I
I actually canceled my limit order. I would have gotten stopped out.
Let me see.
Stopped out. I canceled it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
what is Bitcoin doing?
Red X disappeared.
Well, there's a fair value gap on the 1 minute that's being respected. No disrespect over here.
Yeah, I mean, let's look at the 15.
Is there still, what does Market Cipher say?
Nothing on Market Cipher yet. Let's go to the 21 minute. Blackjack. 21 minute could be setting up for a long trigger wave.
Holy hell.
What?
I might get out, bro. Oh my God.
Thank God I didn't. Yeah. I canceled my trade.
Yeah, I should have just got out when I was down there, man.
You know, I don't think it's going to get over 5. I don't think you're going to hit your stop loss, dude.
I don't think so either, but.
I really don't. I would honestly let your trade play out. That's me personally, but it's your money. It's your trade.
Yeah, I'm going to let it play out. I'm just going to stop looking at it because if I keep looking at it.
Well, it's also hard to not look at it as we're doing literally a show on trading. So,
you're right.
Yeah. Fun times.
You know.
Okay. I think that'll do it for the show today. We want to thank you all very much for watching.
Yo, my bad.
Is that a UNR?
Yeah, it's UNR.
You're a UNR guy?
No, I got recruited by.
We got to speak into the microphone.
No, I got recruited by UNR to play football there.
Did you really?
Yeah, I went on a visit.
What happened?
I didn't like it.
Ah,
Yeah.
good boy. Did you get scouted by UNLV?
Yeah, I did.
You did.
Yeah, if I had my backpack in here, I could show you the tag that I have from when I got to go field side for a game.
Oh shit. Yeah, I got scouted too. Y'all know the story.
Jim Harbaugh.
I actually ran into her yesterday.
What?
My ex-girlfriend.
Where did you go to high school?
Liberty High School.
Ah.
I ran into her yesterday with her 2 kids, and I had my daughter with me. Me and her had a daddy-daughter date day. I ran into her at a candy store.
And did you say what's up, or
Yeah,
did you?
we're cool.
Ah, nice. Yeah. Did you tell her you're the reason I didn't play for Jim Harbaugh?
Nah, I can't do that.
Oh, okay.
She's a sweet girl. She's nice.
Okay, nice, dude.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Thank you. Gina, we're done. Thank you. Guys, Monday through Friday, we do the trading show. Join us. We love you. Thanks.